I don't steal beer very often, but when I do, I make sure I take a whole lot of it. That's next on the Beer Culture Moment. The year is 2016, and there's a 22-year-old working at an Austin beer distribution center. Now, you might think that he was held in high regard because he came into work early every day, about 6 a.m. However, what was going on was not his typical job. He was taking a forklift and moving beer to the back dock. Now, once a suspicious activity got reported, he actually lost his job, and you kind of think the story would end there. But it doesn't. Later, employees saw on his social media posts that he was actually selling beer. Now the police got involved and actually arrested two brothers who had a whole bunch of beer that they said was sold to them by the guy confirmed by his picture on Facebook. So, what did they get? Well, it was delivered by a U-Haul truck, and the total haul, not saying the brothers had all of it, but the total haul was 719 cases of Dos Equis, Modelo, and Corona. Well, it took about 4 months, but they finally tracked the former employee down and actually charged him with the crime. So there was justice, although I think that beer actually got trashed because once it leaves the distribution center, there's really no way to know what happened to it. What a waste. Cheers. This has been a Matty Boy presentation. Say bye-bye, Matty.
Bye-bye.